Good morning from Lake Toba, guys. Take a look at this. Wow. It looks like a bit of a disaster site, doesn't it? But this is a road that had a landslide quite some time ago, and they tried to fix it and it kept landsliding away. And all this time we've been wondering how they're going to fix it because the ground is so unstable, but it's a major road that goes around Samosir. So we came out today to see what the plan is for them to fix it, right?
I know. They built new bridge, guys. I don't know how, why, and then it's already broken. I bet it's like a week or two old.
Yeah, I think it is. I saw it on social media a few days ago.
I don't even know.
So that's kaput.
And then we will come from that way, right? To get from that side to this side is a little bit challenging, guys. You know, you can't really tell. But later I'll show you how.
If you're coming here and you're not confident to drive on something like this, you can totally ask one of the guys working at the working here, and they would drive your scooter for you. Yeah. They're nice like that.
Yeah. We used to like drive through that bridge over the broken bridge, guys, and even little truck you would.
Yeah, up until a month ago.
And
I don't know if you could. I'll try and zoom in on my phone maybe, but you can see that that path is completely gone now.
Right. Wow.
It's just all crumbling.
Wow. I think that's a better idea, one of them to get off Italy.
Yeah. And can you imagine when it's raining? This is going to be almost impossible.
I know,
kind of like clay.
I know, it's slippery.
Anyway, we wanted to start here to give you the update, and then we're going to take you down back towards Tuktuk and to the fruit market if you want to stick around.
Yes, sure.
But first we'll drive back through this scary little road and show you what it's like. But this is a really good thing because, as I said, this is a main route around Samosir Island, and a lot of the businesses and people who live up here have had a hard time reaching their house for a while.
I know.
So it's really good.
Hopefully it's done in less than a year, guys.
I hope it's successful.
They tried to fix this last year, like 90% done, and woo, wipe out again.
Doesn't want to be fixed.
No.
All right, let's drive through it. Shall I drive? You drive.
You drive.
You want to die?
Please. Okay. Let's go. Oh, there's people.
Oh, there's a few people coming.
Queuing. Yeah. I can smell burn.
Okay, here we go. It doesn't look so bad now because there's this level in the middle, but from that bridge up there where you crossed, it was just all the way down the slope to the bottom, so it felt really high when you're crossing it. There wasn't this safety level in the middle that they've now bulldozed. From this angle you can even see that all of that tana, that land and the bushes up there are overhanging now. So I wouldn't be confident that the rest of the top of that hill is not going to come down at some point.
That's water.
Yeah, there's water coming through there. So good luck, guys, for fixing this. That is the little waterfall just around the corner from the landslide. It does actually have a decent amount of water at the moment because we have had some rain, but not a great deal. But the waterfall actually used to fall down here. Oh, still a tiny little bit. But not very impressive at the moment.
Okay, I'm gonna become a passenger this time, guys. This is when I'm driving.
Of course, we weren't recording just coming around that corner, but we almost ran over a very big cobra, and it went into the bushes, so we can't get it. But it was, would you say, 1.5 meters?
Probably more than that.
2 meters?
Yeah.
Beautiful, but we didn't get it on video. Yeah. We had these guests behind us who also almost ran over it. So cool. Why wasn't I recording? Dang it.
Okay, this house, guys, has probably about, I'd like to say, what, maybe 12 dogs. They're all skinny. They put dogs down, you know.
A lot of dogs once you get out of Tuktuk.
I
There
know,
seems to be
yeah.
multitude of dogs.
Yeah. Each gorgeous day, guys. Beautiful. I
so
love
good.
it. I want to keep driving around, but Charlie hasn't had breakfast yet.
Oh, it's fine. Do you know what, guys? The other day, I woke up and it was raining in the morning, and I was shocked. And then it made me realize how much I got used to life here, because in New Zealand, I feel like it rains all the time, even in summer in the daytime. It's like 50-50 chance of rain. But here, it's so rare to have rain in the morning that I was like, wow. It was good. It was nice to have an excuse to like stay in bed longer.
Well, sometimes when it's like wet season, rainy season, rain all day, and I get annoyed a lot of it.
Yeah, but we haven't. I guess it's because we haven't had
know.
wet season last year.
Yeah.
So it's
Do you-
probably-
Sorry.
yeah.
This is a new coffee shop, guys. I haven't tried it.
Is that
What is
up?
it? Sodap. Sodap. I guess that's mean yummy. I mean, sedap.
We are passing back through the village of Tomo on the way back home to Tuktuk. So that's where we were, up the hills past Tomo. And this village is really busy on the weekends with tourists. Today it looks kind of busy, but it's probably...
That's the
Oh, there's a pesta up here, a party,
church probably. Festa.
church party of some kind, and there's probably a market of some sort today going on as well. So here is
All the
the church. Is it a wedding? Happy wedding, yeah. I love that. In Sumatra or Indonesia, is it Sumatra or Indonesia? That has these
Indonesia.
flower boards. These flower boards are really common if someone is having any kind of celebration, or not a celebration, even like a wedding, a funeral, graduation, any kind of thing.
What a sound it is.
Oh yeah? It's a bus from Agung's part of the world. Agung's
I
little
know him
village.
from Kuala
Oh, he knows him. Small world. So yeah, those flower boards, people buy them. It's kind of like a giant greeting card. We're going through Tomo. We're doing the rubbish pickup, guys. We actually have rubbish pickup here in Toba. It's very lucky. Alright. And we continue on to our little local market to buy some fruit and veg. Alright, we are stopped at one of the little markets. So on a Tuesday, a lot of the backyards have markets set up in them. They get their fruit and veg delivered from Puristaki, and they sell them here. So I stopped in because just stop here because I really like the tofu at this place. So
It
there's-
seems like nice broccoli.
yeah, hold on. They sell the tofu in these bags. And, oh yeah, broccoli. It's quite hard sometimes to find good broccoli. It's usually a little bit old or really dirty. Let's have a look.
This one probably.
Yeah, you can look inside. Does it look like it has wormies?
There's cobra, python,
Yeah, that'll do.
dinosaurus in it.
That'll do.
They'll be like.
Alright. So this is the one we come to quite often because a few weeks ago they had
What's it?
kumara. They had kumara, which you might not know. In New Zealand, that's like a special kind of sweet potato. It's the Maori word for sweet potato. And of course, ever since we found it, they haven't had it again. It's really sad. They have different kinds of ubi potato instead. But we're going to go to another one around the corner because they usually have my favourite, which is strawberries. By the way, if you missed it last week, we did a full video tour of this beautiful village of ours, Tuktuk. So we're showing you all the hot spots and the restaurants and hotels and things like that. So make sure you check that out. But come with us to buy my strawberries.
I didn't have change, so I gotta buy something first.
Oh, okay. It's another common problem in Sumatra is a lot of shops don't have small change. So Agung's going to go buy Coke from this little shop. And he's run into another common Sumatra problem. Often there's no people in the shops here in Tuktuk. used to call them. Alright, so this one bag of tofu and one broccoli cost us 15,000 rupiah, which is about $1.50 Australian, less than €1. Not bad.
Kosong. Hey.
Oh my gosh, guys, there's no strawberries. She knows that's why I come here now. Sakit hatiku.
You know
Okay.
why it's bad?
No?
Like ice. in
Oh, there's
Costa
some hail.
Hail.
Oh no. Oh, dua naga saja. Dragon fruit instead. Look at the tiny broccoli. Look at the tiny cauliflowers. Oh my goodness. I think lucky we bought broccoli at the other place because these broccolis are mini. I'm getting shy because people are watching the film. 25.
Okay, basta.
Mariate. Ay.
Right, we're home safe, guys, and it was such a beautiful morning ride, to be honest. A bit chill up there, but I like it because I'm wearing my jacket on.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful day, and hopefully you like this video. And see you in Sumatra, guys.
See you next time.